Tired of endless scrolling through your inbox without getting any benefit? Well, get ready to turn that around. In this video, I'm going to reveal a secret method that allows you to earn money simply by receiving text messages. That's right. You heard it correctly. Get paid just for having your phone in your pocket. Imagine how much extra cash you could earn each month by doing absolutely nothing. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to monetize your texting habits and start earning today. Before we embark on this exciting journey, I highly recommend that you take a moment to subscribe and turn on notifications. By doing so, you'll ensure that you never miss any of our insightful videos where I consistently share novel and groundbreaking methods to help you achieve financial success in the online world. And you can do this from anywhere around the globe. And will be great if you comment down below from which country you are watching this video, so we can create specific videos for your region. Now, let's get started. Imagine getting paid for something you already do every day. Say goodbye to mindless scrolling and hello to extra cash in your pocket. Whether you're a student looking for some side income or a busy professional wanting to make the most out of your downtime, this opportunity is perfect for you. With Mic Mini app, you can now earn money just by receiving text messages. Yes, that is right. They test the mobile network. Therefore, they send SMS messages to the users of the Mic Mini app. If a message arrives, they know that this SMS route is good and safe. To get started, simply visit Mic Mini official website and download the app. Register your phone number, and you will receive your first message in 3 days. The Mic Mini app functions well on almost all Android phone types. All SMS contains a 16-digit code by which they recognize the text. The rest of the SMS you can totally ignore. The SMS content differs, so they can check if it has not been modified along its way. The SMS that they recognize gets directly forwarded to the Mic Mini inbox. After it is shown in the Mic Mini app, you're free to delete the SMS from your phone inbox. Every message adds money to your account. You will get money for every text message that Mic Mini sends to your mobile number. This does not include your private messages. When you have reached the threshold, you can request a cash out and withdraw the money via PayPal. Earn extra money by referring new users to Mic Mini. All Mic Mini users will get a referral code they can share with people who haven't installed Mic Mini yet. Both you and the one who uses your code will get a bonus. You can share your code with as many people as you like. Don't let those text messages go to waste. Sign up now and start earning money today. In the end, if you liked this video and found it helpful, give it thumbs up, comment, and share. Your support matters. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this.